So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. Then you want to expand system. Then you're going to click on the setup folder. Click on setup. And now this will appear on the right side. You should be having something called upgrade. Once you find upgrade, you want to right click on it. And then click on delete. And then click on yes. You want to delete upgrade. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you want to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. Just highlight this, do Ctrl-C to copy it, come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on Enter. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when this will be completed. And then once you see the blinking cursor and it says Windows System 32, it means that it's been done. If you see anything here that's red, it's fine, just ignore it. Now we're going to restart the computer, and then the problem should be fixed.